Types of go bags every prepper needs. In addition to the prepper storage you're accumulating and tending to, you will want to create specific go bags for various types of events. These are kits that you can grab at a moment's notice that will especially come in handy if you have to evacuate your home. With any luck, you will be able to return to your home for the rest of your supplies. Here are the types of go bags you should have ready to go at a moment's notice. Blackout kit. A blackout kit ensures that you're able to survive in the event that the power goes out. Create a kit that's specifically for this occurrence, rather than grab supplies from various kits scattered throughout your storage room. A blackout kit will include batteries, flashlights, matches, lighter, headlamps, lanterns, a cooking set for camping, candles, and a solar-powered power block to recharge your phone and other electronics. Be prepared for colder months and stow enough incredibly warm blankets for every member of your family to wrap up in. Another way to prepare for a blackout is to freeze water in large bags or buckets and store them in your freezer. These can keep food cold to avoid spoilage. You can also invest in a generator, but be sure you have enough gas to power it. Medical kit. While having a basic first aid kit can help the most basic injuries, having a fully stocked medical kit to handle bigger injuries is ideal. You can purchase one that's fully stocked to start with or put one together on your own. Make sure that you first have prescription medications your family takes in case pharmacies are no longer operating. Buy over-the-counter pain relief including aspirin, acetaminophen, and ibuprofen, as well as Benadryl to help with allergic reactions and inflammation. Other supplies such as splints, tourniquets, quick clot, face masks, and suture kits can be stored as well. Buy a manual with first aid procedures, specifically one that's targeted toward survival to keep in the bag. Instead of throwing away old pairs of glasses, keep them here in case your current set is damaged. Tool kit. Don't waste your time with one of those cute little toolkits that novice homeowners buy. While these are excellent for hanging pictures and twisting off a stubborn bottle cap, you need something more substantial. You can start out with one of the heavier-duty kits that has full-size tools, or put one together yourself. You will need a hammer, crowbar, adjustable wrenches, a few types of pliers, various sizes of screwdrivers, both flathead and Phillips, hex wrenches, and wire cutters. Don't forget to buy plenty of nails and screws in various sizes, wire, nuts, washers, and so on. A tape measure, level, twine, zip ties, duct tape, and electrical tape will also be beneficial. Industrial scissors, an X-Acto knife, and a saw should be included. Disaster kit. You might be forced to evacuate very quickly during a natural weather disaster such as a blizzard, flood, hurricane, or mudslide. Create a kit for everyone in your house that includes supplies to quickly grab and go. Changes of clothes, shoes, socks, underwear, coats, scarves, rain gear, and hats are crucial. Take it a step further and include hygiene items such as wet wipes, hand sanitizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, feminine supplies, utensils, water, and other essentials. Each person should have a two-way radio for communication that's synced to the same channel. Food kit. If you are forced to leave your home, in addition to the rations you've stockpiled for survival over a long period of time, you need to have a smaller go kit that's easier to grab and go. Make sure it has plenty of water, dehydrated food, a camping cooking stove, and utensils. Don't overlook coffee and tea. This kit needs to hold enough food to keep your family fed and hydrated for at least a week, or until you can get to a more permanent food source. That said, don't overlook items to help you catch food like fishing poles, a bow and arrow, and nets, as well as field dressing kits. Self-defense kit. As much as you hate to think about it, you could find yourself in a situation where you have to defend yours and your family's lives. You might not have the mindset to grasp this just yet, but your ability to defend your belongings and supplies could mean the difference between life and death. Pack weapons that you feel comfortable using that are actually effective. Hugs and kind words aren't going to cut it, trust us on this. Go beyond personal defense, and look at deterrence. Include supplies to create a perimeter of booby traps and alarms where you're hunkering down. All this said, it's one thing to have these supplies, but it's quite another to know how to use them. Be sure you are training regularly to use the self-defense items you've stowed away. If you don't know how to use them, the chances that they'll be used against you are very high. Practice setting up your perimeter so you can quickly set it up and tear it down as you move from location to location. And make sure the people you are traveling with are just as proficient in using these implements as you are. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and share.